Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, a phrasal verb. The verb we are going to discuss is act up. Act up means misbehave badly. It means give someone trouble, cause someone trouble, be naughty, be bad. If a person, especially a child, acts up, they behave badly. If a machine or a part of the body acts up, it does not perform as well as it should. Example sentence: Jerry got bored and started acting up. It means Jerry got bored and misbehaved badly. My daughter always acts up in the supermarket when I refuse to buy her chocolate. My daughter always misbehaves badly in the supermarket when I refuse to buy her chocolate. So, act up means misbehave badly, not working properly. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.